Holy macro, Dr. Real Estate coming at you from our newest listing, 417th Ave, Paterson, New Jersey. We're sitting in arguably the most incredible sunroom in Paterson with this crazy backyard, fully fenced in, enough yard space to entertain for your whole entire family. Glory Bell, what do we have inside?
Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing. Our 417th Ave features 4 bedrooms, 2 half baths, 2 full baths, a beautiful sunroom, full finished basement. Come take a look. Thank you for watching this video. Contact me for private tours and se habla español.